Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a video about top 5 Amazon household gadgets of 2025. Let's go. Number 9-inch lighted makeup mirror, the perfect fusion of beauty and smart technology. With HD clarity and a detachable 10x magnifying mirror, it's ideal for precise makeup, tweezing, shaving, or skincare. Built-in LED lights deliver natural, adjustable lighting in warm, natural, or cool tones with brightness control from 0 to 100%. The smart sensor activates lights automatically, while the memory function remembers your last setting. USB rechargeable, cordless, and designed with 50 degrees of rotation, it's both stylish and functional. Perfect for your vanity or as a thoughtful gift. Number 2, Meat Stir, the hands-free automatic pan stirrer that saves you time in the kitchen. With its smart self-rotating design, it stirs your soups, sauces, gravies, and more while you focus on other tasks. Just place it in your pot. Push a button and choose from 3 speed settings. Its nylon legs are heat-resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius and safe for non-stick cookware. Battery-operated and cordless. It's easy to clean, dishwasher-safe, and compact enough to store anywhere. Stir does the stirring so you don't have to. Number 3, Smart Fragrance Diffuser. Smart Fragrance Diffuser designed for large rooms and total control. Through the Pura app, schedule scents, set timers, or activate away mode with ease. It uses dynamic diffusion technology with internal heaters and a fan to fill your home with consistent, long-lasting fragrance. The automatic vial detection makes switching scents effortless. Wi-Fi enabled and stylishly designed, it blends into any decor while offering both app and manual control. Enjoy luxury scenting, smarter than ever. Number 4, maximize your fridge space with the Pomeat 10-pack stackable fridge organizer set. With clear BPA-free bins in 3 sizes, you can easily organize fruits, veggies, drinks, and more while keeping everything visible and fresh. The built-in drain tray design elevates produce to prevent moisture buildup, helping food last longer. Made from durable food-grade PET, these bins are perfect for fridges, freezers, cabinets, or drawers. Easy to clean and stackable with secure lids, it's a smart storage solution for any kitchen. Number 5, Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Introducing the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra, a fully automated robot vacuum and mop built for effortless deep cleaning. With 16,200 pascals of suction, it removes up to 99% of debris, even from deep carpet and tight corners. Its tin-1 self-emptying base handles up to 75 days of hands-free maintenance, including hot water mop washing and hot air drying. Featuring Flexi Razor technology to eliminate hair tangles, smart edge-to-edge cleaning, and AI dirt detection, the J15 Pro Ultra redefines home cleaning. That's it, guys! If you need any of these products, check the description below. Thank you for watching!